So the question here is compound A CaH10O is found to react with NaOI, producing by reacting Y with NaOH, and yields a yellow precipitate with characteristic smell. A and Y are respectively. So these are the four options, and let's see the answer. So answer is 3. So option 3 is secondary alcohol, which on oxidation give phenylmethyl ketone, which is also known as acetophenone. This on reaction with I2 and NaOH form iodoform and sodium benzoate. So the reaction here 2NaOH plus I2 gives NaOI plus NaI plus H2O, and CaH10O on reaction with NaOI gives acetophenone, and it on further reaction with I2 and NaOH gives iodoform, which is of yellow PPT, and also gives sodium benzoate.